first time I came on campus, I was actually walking in here with my friend Fallon. We were joined up together for the robotics camp. And walking in here and seeing all the machines running, all the 3D printers going, it's just like that moment of awe in my mind, wonderment. It was truly amazing. I've always loved engineering, I've always loved manufacturing and building things. Started out as the dual enrollment student here, did Mr. Eustace's program all in one semester while I was still in high school, and then from there I also worked on my AA at the same time, and then I found out about the engineering program, and then I worked in the engineering program to get my AS. I was able to go on an internship at Precision Turning in Live Oak, Florida. After about 2 weeks, I got a job offer, and I've been working there now for almost 4 years. Here at North Florida, you really get dedicated time. The professor knows your name. They help you one-on-one. It helps you grow and develop before you just get thrown into university. It makes you more prepared for success. I have one more class away, and then I'm going to be transferring hopefully to UCF in the fall. And from there, I want to try to pursue my doctorate degree in mechanical engineering. I really encourage you to check out North Florida College Advanced Manufacturing Program. There's always help and resources here for you. You never feel lost. If you ever need help or assistance, they're always here for you. That means it's just a fantastic college to go to.